Hey guys, this is me, Layla Wolf the Little Bear and Duck Fan 2010, and today we're going to open up LOL surprise eggs. Let's start with the first one. Okay then. Alright, here's an egg. Let's open it up and see what's in. It's gonna be yummy. Let's see if it tastes yummy. It's a yummy milk chocolate. Let's see if I taste it. Tacadinho. Okay. Well, let's see what's inside. Alright, let's open it up and see. It needs to be. Just a sec, guys. I have to use two hands. Cool! Let me see what's over there. Let me find it. Just a sec. Okay. Cool, you get this. So where's my baby? Let's find our baby. And before we this, and look what we can get. You can collect them all. And here's what our baby looks like. And now let's try the second one. Let's open it up. Cool, another egg. Alright, let's taste it. Cockatoo. Let me open this. Oh, guess what's gonna be our surprise? Cool. We got an LOL. Awesome. We can collect them all. Okay. This is me, Layla Wolf, the Little Bear and Duck Fan 2010, signing off. Peace.